Side effects of very popular diabetes and weight loss drugs like Ozempic and
Of drugs like Ozempic and Wegovy, saying the medications gave them debilitating side effects.
Ozempic, it's the weight loss secret tagging our social media. But is it really a miracle drug or are we ignoring serious risk? Let's break it down. Hey everyone, today we are talking about Ozempic, the diabetes drugs that's now a weight loss sensation. But what's really happening inside your body when you take it? Or should you be worried about long-term effects? Ozempic or Semaglutide was originally created for people with type 2 diabetes. It works by mimicking a hormone called GLP-1 which helps regulate blood sugar and slows down digestion, making you feel full longer. Because of this effect, people started noticing rapid weight loss and soon Ozempic became viral trend with celebrities and influencers swearing by it. But hold on, there is an other side to this story. Ozempic isn't just suppressing appetite, it's also causing nausea, vomiting, and even serious complications. Doctors are warning about Ozempic face, a condition where people lose too much weight that their face start looking aged. And that's not all. Some patients are experiencing Ozempic stomach, a condition where stomach slows down so much that it leads to gastroparesis or stomach paralysis. With Ozempic in high demand, people are turning to black market versions, pricing counterfeit drugs and dangerous doses. Some people are even microdosing Ozempic without medical supervision. But this is risky. Remember, this drug was not designed for casual weight loss. So should you take Ozempic? If you have type 2 diabetes, it could be life-changing. But if you are just trying to lose a few pounds, there are safer ways. Now I want to hear from you. Would you try Ozempic for weight loss? Let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more medical insights.